Get your academic calendar. You can go to class from the beginning of a semester to the end of a semester without missing any classes, and you still fail. The magicians, they will wait till 1 week to exam and they want to finish 8 courses in one night. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Excellence Simplified. In today's video, I'm going to be welcoming you to the new semester. Now, the semester is beginning. What is the best way to start your semester? So what's the best way to start the semester? You know, the most important thing about the student journey is not about school resumption. It's not about resuming school. It's all about planning. How do you plan your semester? That is why in this video I'll be bringing to you strategic plans on the best way to begin the semester. All right, to start with, you're coming back from the holidays, let's assume that, and you want to begin a new semester. What do you do in preparation? It's not all about attending classes. It's not about going to class. You can go to class from the beginning of a semester to the end of a semester without missing any classes, and you still fail, or you still have bad results. So what is the best way to start the semester? Now, the best way to start the semester is to start the semester planning. Plan your semester. How do you do that? Now, before you resume, this is what you do. You sit down with a notebook or your jotter with your pen in your hand and do this thing I'm about to list out. 1. Get your academic calendar. The school academic calendar. Academic calendar is that memo or that paper that shows everything that is going to be done in a semester. Like school resumption, they put the date. Exam, they put the date and all this, like a summary of the semester. They normally post that before school resumption. So get the academic calendar. Get the academic calendar. I have the academic calendar for some schools, so if you need the academic calendar, you can drop it in. You can request that in the comment section and I will send it to you. All right, so just request that with the name of your university. I'll drop that for you. So after getting the academic calendar, you study the academic calendar. Note the date you'll be writing your exam. That's one thing you need to note. Note the date you'll be writing your exam. Now, after noting the date you'll be writing your exam, the next thing is check from today's date or from that day, any day you're watching this video, till the day of exam, how many days do you have? Let's take, for example, on my academic calendar, my exam will be on the, let's say my exam will be 5th of January, assuming my exam is 5th of January. Now I'll count how many weeks I have from now till that 5th of January. You get? You first of all, you count how many months do you have to exam for that semester. You've not resumed or you are planning to resume. You count how many months you have close to resumption, close to the exam. After that, after you know how many months, let's say 3 months to exam. You count how many weeks are in those 3 months. So you calculate how many weeks are there. That is how many weeks you have to exam. Then after that, you know how many days you have to exam. You are doing all this. Remember, you are doing all this from the beginning of the semester. So you know how many weeks you have to exam. You know how many months you have to exams. You know how many weeks you have to exams. You know how many days you have to exams. Now, after noting that down, write it down. After noting it down, the next thing is, how many courses are you offering that semester? How many courses are you offering that semester? So let's assume you're offering 8 courses. You write down the 8 courses. You list out the 8 courses. You list them out. Now, after listing them out, the next thing is, as a student, it is advisable to finish your courses at least 2 times before exam. Don't wait till exam period. Magicians, they will wait till 1 week to exam and they want to finish 8 courses in one night. They will go to night class and they say we want to jack it back to back. Magician, well done. No, don't do that. The earlier the better. Start on time so you don't feel that exam pressure. So all you have to do is to start right on time. As the semester resumes, start reading. So you're advised to finish your courses at least 2 times before your exams. And how do you do that? After writing the 8 courses, now let's assume you have 3 months to exam. You split those 3 months into two. That is if you are, that is 1.5 months, 1.5 months, 1.5 months, 1.5 months. So what that means is in the first 1.5 months, you are going to finish all your courses for the first time. Then in the next 1.5 months, you are going to finish all the courses again for the second time. So how you have to do that is, let's say you have the 1.5 months now for the first half of the reading. The 1.5 months, that is around 6 weeks. You split all the 8 courses or all the courses you are doing within these 6 weeks. So you can say week 1 you put a course, week 2 you put a course, like that, or you do it in days. You say, okay, 8 weeks, 6 weeks have how many days? You get the number of days, then you assign each day to a particular course. With this, you will not even feel it. You'll be reading little by little, and before you know, you've covered volume. One thing that I do that always helps me is I get my textbooks on time. Now after getting my textbook on time, what I do is at the table of contents, I will put dates. I'll say one topic I'll put Monday, the other one maybe Monday, Tuesday, and I will discipline myself to read those things. That is the best way to start the semester. Planning. Start the semester with planning and not just attending classes. Not just attending classes. Start the semester planning. So you write down all your courses, write how many days you have to exam, how many weeks, how many months you have to exam, and divide it into bits. Now make weekly plans, very important. After making your long-term plans, make weekly plans. This week, this is what I want to cover for this week. So you don't just move up and down, not knowing exactly what you want to do or not having a target. So have a weekly target as a student. Maybe your CGPA is high already, or your CGPA is falling, it's very low. It's in your hands to get it up now, this semester. Now that you're just starting the semester or you're already into the semester, it's the right time to start. Anytime you're watching this video is the right time to start. So start now, start planning, write down all your courses, start the reading immediately. Arrange your reading. Don't read blindly. Arrange, okay, for this week I should cover this. Have a target, because when you have a target, you have a focus and you have something you're working towards, and it will help you to achieve more. But when you're just reading, today my body feel like reading biology, you read. Today my body you will not cover much because you don't have a target. You don't have a target. So have targets. Have targets, and that is one thing that will help you to achieve much. That's one thing that will help you to achieve much. Another thing is, for those persons that don't like attending classes, well done, oh. Well done. Lecturer is teaching you, you attend once in a why? You are a non-academic student. Please attend classes. It's very good to attend classes because that is one way of knowing where the lecturer will set questions from. Don't be a non-academic student. Attend classes. Attend classes. So if I would advise, attend all your classes. Don't miss classes. Don't miss classes. And ask questions where necessary. Ask questions where necessary. Ask questions. Don't keep quiet. Don't keep quiet. So the best way to start your semester is to start your semester planning. So plan yourself from today. And if you need academic guidance, maybe your CGPA is low or is high and you want to maintain it, I need somebody to coach you. I have a mentorship group and I can help you to do that. I can help you streamline your reading. I can help you monitor your reading for you. So if you're interested in my mentorship group, you can send me a DM on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number will be displayed on the screen right now. So just check here, you see my WhatsApp number and you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I will guide you on how to succeed this semester. And trust me, if you follow everything I will be saying, there is nothing that will stop you. There's nothing that will stop you. So if you're interested, send me a DM and I will add you to the mentorship group. Alright, if you have any question you want to ask, you can send it on, you can drop it in the comment section and I will respond to you. I wish you success this semester and I'm waiting for your good news. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? So you want to run away, you finish watching now, you want to click and go away, please click on the subscribe button, like this video and share to others so they can also watch. My name is Excellence Simplified. Thanks for watching.